Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Joanne and this is To Crochet Curious. Today is Things We're Making Thursday.
Things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, yeah.
That song, I did truncate it. You can hear it in full on so many channels, so I just use a few bars from it. Now, I do have some information for you about Things We're Making Thursday. So watch this and then I'll be right back with my update on this month's project. Hi friends, I'm just going to jump in here and mention the details of Things We're Making Thursday. Things We're Making Thursday is a collaboration among many channels. It started with just a few, but there's so many people now that have joined. And so everyone that I am aware of who has joined will be mentioned in the description box. And every month there will be a free pattern that will be announced. The last Thursday of the prior month, we will announce the new pattern for the following month. And if you are interested in joining us, you certainly can do that either as a channel, just like us, or you can go to Facebook and join the Facebook group, or you can email any of us pictures of what you've made along with us, and we will show them on our channels. Now, there is a theme song. You heard it. I'm sure you've heard it on one or more channels, and that theme song was written by Jess at J Hook Magic and her husband. And Heather at Strings and Threads keeps us organized as a group, giving us information and so forth. And I just wanted to invite you to join us if that's what you'd like to do. And I'll just use this little clip on all of my Thursday videos, and if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out via email and we'll do our best to answer them. If you would like to join along, just stay tuned. Every Thursday and the last Thursday of the month, you'll see what the new pattern is going to be. So we'll see you soon on Things We're Making Thursday. Okay, so now that you know what it is, let me tell you about the project for June. Is it June already? We are making the Lily Sugar and Cream Rainbow Hexagon Beach Bag from, this was pulled, I believe, from the Yarnspirations website, and the pattern is from Lily Sugar and Cream. This is black and white, but I do have a color picture I'll put here. And this pattern is basically, it's a hexagon beach bag and it's in rainbow colors. There's 6 colors involved, and on some of them you need 2 balls, but then the other 4 are 1 ball. And you could use any colors you want, obviously, but the rainbow, I think it's going to be cool. I'm trying to follow as closely as possible based on what I had available to me. And okay, and there's a video, which I will link below. Crochet Crowd, Mikey did a tutorial on this about 4 years ago. Puts me to shame. He was like, yeah, you know, I did half of it yesterday, I'm going to finish it today. And I'm like, dude, I've been working on this for 3 days. This is what I have done on, I have 15 of these, but still. Now, one thing he does recommend is to do each round on all 15 motifs and then go do the next round on all 15 motifs. So that's what I've done. I got 15 of these bad boys. And trying to work my ends in as I go, you know, working them into the next round because you're working through the spaces, and I can just pull the extra strings up. And then at the end, whatever's left hanging out, I'll either cut off or put in, work it in. And so I'm working on that. And before Thursday, because it's not quite Thursday yet, I might get another round done on all those, in which case I'll update this video. But hello, hey, I'm jumping in here to show off the 3rd round of the Things We're Making Thursday project. So I've added the third round, but I've only done it on 5 motifs so far. So I got 10 more to go, and then so hopefully I will be pretty much done with the motifs by next Thursday. So that's my update. Talk to you soon. This video, but he has a video tutorial on not only putting it together, but also there's one for lining it as well, which I will find and link. So, or no, wait, somebody else did a lining video. Yeah, I'll get that information, and I'll link it below. And then I'll probably text it on the screen here somewhere. So anyway, this is interesting. One interesting thing about it, I noticed all of my petals, or whatever these are, look how they are sort of spiraled, right? So I was watching, sorry, allergies are driving me positively crazy the last several days. Okay. I was watching the video that Mikey was doing, and he's like, I was trying to do exactly what he was doing, pulling it up, and but mine, his were coming out straight. His came out all like straight, and mine came out, I mean, every single one of them, even though I'd pull it up and like try to make it straight, everything comes out twisted on mine. And I don't know what it is. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway, it is what it is. Mine will look different, spirally cute, I think. So I'm going to keep working. There are 6 total rounds. I've got 2 rounds done. So maybe this week I'll get the 3rd round done, and then next week do maybe 2 or 3 more rounds, and then get it put together on the 4th week. I don't know how it's going to pan out, but I'll just press on, and we'll see how it goes. So I do know that after the 3rd round, it changes to more of a granny square style. So that works up faster for me than these petal things. So maybe I'll be able to make much better progress doing that. So anyway, I hope you're joining us on this. It's kind of a fun one, and I'm going to end up with a really cool bag at the end. So what's not to love about that? Anyway, you have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.